Discover the significance of QIQ, Qliker IP Quality, and its practical application in this video tutorial. QIQ, or Qliker IP Quality, harnesses advanced AI-driven algorithms incorporating multiple variables to evaluate IP quality. Represented by three distinct colors: green indicating good quality, yellow indicating medium, and red indicating poor quality, QIQ scores higher with better IPs. This tool enables easy identification of bots and fraudulent clicks, offering real-time data insights. By clicking on the QIQ score, users can access detailed IP statistics for the associated link. Take the opportunity to assess your traffic and ascertain the quality of your clicks today. In this demonstration, witness firsthand how QIQ operates. A green score denotes good traffic quality, predominantly originating from genuine customers, as evidenced in the provided list. Yellow signifies medium quality traffic, showcasing a spectrum of quality variations in the list. While red indicates poor quality, as depicted here. This statistics provides clear insights into the quality of traffic flowing through your link, empowering you to make informed decisions for the future. It's time to identify and eliminate those bots, ensuring only genuine engagement drives your success forward.